Today we will be going over the topics of print in Python, and we'll be using addition, and through that you can also learn uh, multiplication, subtraction, and division. And keep in mind these are basics. And as you saw that there are multiple data types in Python, but today we'll be only going over integer and string. So let's start from the basics. You all probably know that printing hello world, it's like the basics of everything. So Python is actually like the most user friendly, the most easiest syntax language there is, in my opinion at least. So let's start with the most basic thing, printing hello world in Python. So as hello world, it's a text, it's a form of string, and we have to keep in mind that we use inverted commas when you are using any string in Python, any text, anything that we have to write in alphabets, or it can even be numbers, but usually alphabets. We use inverted commas for that. So to write anything in string, we have to use inverted commas. So there it is, and then we'll just simply write hello world, and then using them again. So yes, this is pretty basic. It's just a one line code, and we can run it here to test it. And as you can see, hello world, it's printed here. Okay, so moving on to, let's say, let's get into addition. And for addition we can use the data type of integer. So let's say we are using ages, for example. Let's say, and by the way, we can use these hashtags in Python to make comments. That means that this will not affect the code in any ways. It's just to tell the viewer what's going on in the code. So let's say ages. Okay, ages. So I'll put in my, like, an imaginary age. Of course, it's not my real age. I'll put my age as 5, and let's put Yusha's age, and then let's just put Zed's age, and I'll put his age as 7. Okay, so let's say we want to take out the sum of these ages. It's very easy. We can first comment it like this so the viewer obviously understands what's going on. Sum of ages, and we have to declare these ages to a variable as we've done previously, like 5. This integer is set to the value Yusha. So Yusha is equals to 5. That means if I type Yusha, it will take in the value of 5. So let's say sum of ages, let's abbreviate it to SOA, is equals to Yusha plus Z. Now this line, to the viewer it won't make sense, like how can you add these two strings, but as we've assigned these values to it, so the code will take these values and add them together. We use the plus sign to add in Python, and when this all is done, we just have to print SOA, which is sum of ages. So again, as we did previously, we did string. So we use the inverted commas, but this time as we're adding integers, so we will not be using that. We'll just put this direct value in it. So let's say print, and again using the parenthesis, and SOA, because that is the value assigned to the sum of ages. So let's say print SOA, and this value will directly go into there, and let's print it, and it's printed 12. 7 plus 5, that's 12. So I mean, this is basic addition, and there can also be, you can also do subtraction, division in the same way. You just have to change this symbol. For multiplication you can use this, for subtraction you can use this, and for division you can use this. So that's all for today, and we'll learn more in the next video.